If you're facing a legal problem or have to go to court, it can feel scary, confusing, and overwhelming, especially if you can't afford a lawyer. The good news is, there is free and confidential help available across the UK which many may not be aware of. In this video, I'll walk you through where to find free legal advice, what to do if you have to go to court, and which organisations can support you along the way. First, let's talk about where you can get free legal help and advice. Legal aid. Legal aid is funded by the UK government and can pay for your solicitor or barrister if you can't afford one. There are two types of legal aid, for criminal and civil cases. Legal aid also covers housing, family, and immigration cases. To check if you qualify, visit the gov.uk link on legal aid in the description. For civil cases, you may be able to get legal aid for problems such as homelessness, domestic abuse, family mediation, seeking asylum, discrimination, whilst for criminal cases you might be able to get legal aid if you are questioned at the police station and if you're under 16 or under 18 and in full-time education or on certain benefits. The gov.uk link can also help you find out if you can get legal aid for the problem you are facing right now. To be eligible for legal aid, you need to fall under one of the following categories. You or your children are at risk of domestic violence or forced marriage. You're going to be made homeless. You need family mediation. You're being discriminated against. You're taking a case to court under the Human Rights Act. You've been accused of a crime and could go to jail. Don't fret, if you are unable to get legal aid, you can get free legal advice from the certain websites such as Advice Now, LawWorks and some law centres. Facing court alone, all's not lost. If you've received court papers or a summons, don't panic. But do act quickly by taking the following below steps. Step 1. Get legal advice as early as possible. Take any letters or documents with you so your advisor can help. Step 2. Ask the court for information. Court staff can't give legal advice, but they can explain procedures or help you find the right forms. Step 3. If it's a criminal case, you have the right to a duty solicitor, free of charge, both at the police station and in magistrates' court. Step 4. For civil or family cases, you may qualify for legal aid, or you may be able to get a volunteer barrister to represent you through Advocate, a charity that finds free legal assistance from volunteer barristers. Some citizens' advice offices are able to give free legal advice on some matters. Please contact your local Citizens Advice for more information. You can also contact Support Through Court, a charity that provides free help to people facing court. They also provide in-person and remote services. Dealing with a legal problem can sometimes be stressful and affect one's mental health. If you find yourself in this position, reach out to Mind@Mind.org UK or call the Samaritans anytime, day or night, on 116 123. It's free to contact Samaritans and they can be contacted over the phone, via email using joe@samaritans.org, in person or by letter. You don't have to go through this alone. Remember, you don't have to face legal problems or court alone. There are free services and people ready to help. Check the links in the description for all the websites and phone numbers I've mentioned. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more advice on rights and support in the UK. And finally, this video gives general information, not legal advice. Always get professional advice for your individual situation.